Pioneer plants. These plants show up and grow up in severe conditions where few other plants can grow. Their gift to the forest community is based on their unique design to thrive where others can't. As their roots work into the soil and their leaves grow out, they can provide shelter from winds and extreme temperatures for less hardy plants. Like living factories, they transform sunlight energy, air, water, and soil into plant material, forming stems and leaves, eventually falling to the ground and covering the earth with their roots. Decomposing insects start eating the fallen leaves and stems, turning them into the soil. They create air pockets as they move through the ground, and their bodily waste enriches and builds the composted earth. All over the planet, sturdy pioneers can grow without help from humans. Pioneers will start the garden party, from cacti in the desert to bearberry in the Arctic tundra and everywhere in between. In our garden, each spring, sow thistles volunteer to grow. They extend their roots into our heavy clay soil as they transform the sunlight energy, air, water, and dirt into plant material. According to sources around the internet, they got the name sow thistles or sow thistles because people feed them to pigs. I prefer to think of them as a sow thistle as a reminder that they provide a great spot to sow a seed wherever they grow. Because their roots loosen up the soil, and our clay soil is very tough, so it loosens up the clay soil. When I pull them out, I discover a nice hole with crumbly soil, just perfect for planting a favorite seed. And the sow thistle's leafy tops are good to eat, feed to chickens, compost, or chop and drop as mulch. Coyote brush, Baccharis pilularis, pictured below, is another pioneer that grows in dry heat and provides shelter to help other plants establish around it. In addition, the flowers provide nectar sources for predatory wasps, small butterflies, and other native insects, helping diversify the biota in the food forest. So many of the plants we think of as weeds are helpful pioneers.